A really long time ago.
Okay, so let me just refresh you on the rules. Okay, so it's already set up, ready to go. You play black against white. Every move has to be a jump over your opponent to empty space, and you take away the piece. So black jumps white every time, white jumps black every time. So with that, you cannot jump diagonally because you're jumping over yourself, right? So you can only move in one direction per turn, straight lines. So you cannot do the L-shaped jump like Chinese checkers. Yeah. So you can multiple jump if it's in a straight line, but you don't have to if you don't want to, because that might be part of your strategy. The object of the game is whoever makes the last jump wins. So if it's your turn and you cannot jump, you lost. And it doesn't matter how many pieces are left, because in real battle, no matter how big your army, if you cannot move, you lost. Yeah. So it teaches the young chiefs that even if they have a smaller number, they can neutralize a larger army and still win the battle.
Thank you.
Are you going to be black or white?
Yeah, all that.
Yeah, black or white?
Really dry.
Remember how it's set up so we can set it up again.
I'll go with black.
Black, okay. I'll let you go
Okay.
first.
So. You just give me black against white. Everybody has to be a jump
The beginning is easy.
You can only move in one direction per turn, so no L-shaped jumps like Chinese checkers. Although you can multiple jumps if it's in a straight line. Now you may not want to, you don't have to. So the opposite of the game is whoever makes the last one. So if you're turn, you get a second minute, then it doesn't matter how much you have. Because in real battle, no matter how big your opponent is, you cannot move.
Ooh, I see it. Look at this. Two.
So we got tattoos here, we got some games here. What would you like? You need to add some ink to your collection. Ready? So we have a couple of different designs that you can choose from.
Although the thing is, it's not.
They did the same thing to me.
It's I mean, like it's whoever can't move last.
Can't move last. Yeah. So.
Family, yeah.
So. Okay, I'll do a.
Alright, there you go.
Okay. Oh, watch this. Thank you. Oh, it doesn't matter how much you have.
Yeah.
You can't move all these. Getting to the end.
I think I just realized. I think I'm about to lose.
No, you can still move.
No, I'm about to lose because.
No, I think I see something that you can.
So how can go so you can.
Oh, that was a good one.
Let's have another minute, just 1 minute. So we're to finish the game in a minute, and then we're gonna move on in a minute.
But over here, Don't go there also.
Oh, shucks.
No. I already saw that, but like I'm trying to think ahead.
Oh no, I think I'm gonna lose.
What do you gotta do? Ball in the wall.
I'm gonna lose. Wait, let me think. What's my first? Oh, I'm gonna lose. I know already. I go that way.
And eye coordination.
I'm gonna lose.
Because they're ready to go, guys.
Actually, no. This one decision will actually decide whether you win or lose right now. You win. I can't do anything.
Hey.
Oh, I did win.
Okay, set it up for the next guy.
So it doesn't matter how much of the opponent's
Yeah,
blocks you get.
I was like, okay, so if you actually went here,
Yeah.
I would have been able
Then
to
you
take
could've-
this.
Yes, and then I.
You would have taken this, and then I could have taken it.
Oh, I didn't see that. And then I could go. And then I could go
That
again. And you would.
Or no. I mean, okay, so your thing right here would have been like
Oh,
over
there.
here. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't
So-
think about that. Sorry.
This one move could have decided whether you won or lost. That was. Ooh. Yeah, no, this game.
Wait,
Oh, not in the
these,
middle.
Middle
these
four,
aren't- Yeah,
yeah.
those don't.
Yeah, there's middle four. Hope we set it up correctly.
Where does this go?
Right there.
Oh, here.
Is this the black one?
Yeah, that's black.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, that
it?
was fun. That was fun. You want the spinning cup one now?
Spinning top. Oh.
Remember, you used to like those.
Whatever you
I
like.
bought you.